Hi, welcome to Matthew Explores, and today we're going to look at some AI colorized photos alongside the original photos, and you can decide whether the colorization makes the photos more appealing. And here we start with the Victorian sewer works, and we're going to move up onto the seafront, and this is the location of the old Tram Shed. And this is the Butterfly Centre, one of the more recent losses to the town. Heading along the seafront, there's a few more images of the Royal Sovereign Lightship. And this is Sea Houses. And up at Splash Point. Moving up towards the pier, we see the aviation industry in Eastbourne. And the carpet gardens with the bath chairs. A view of the pier. And the pier during World War II. Image of the pier when the part closest to the shore was lost, and this was before the storm damage. World War II again, the seafront barricaded to stop invasion. And there in the background we see the original bandstand. And the building of Beachy Head Lighthouse, transforming safety around the headland. And this is Latimer Road and Latimer Road Police Station. This is 1913, the Butcher's Race, starting off outside of the Victoria pub. And a view along Seaside Road. And Gowland's Library. This is Caffyn's garage, destroyed in World War II, located near the Crown and Anchor pub. And this is Sussex Gardens, pre-development. And this is what it turned into, and it's now the location of your favourite shops, Poundland. And the Technical Institute, destroyed in World War II, now the site of the public library. The Squirrel pub, demolished to make way for the Arndale Centre. And this is the original main post office. And the Gildredge Hotel, lost, transformed into the Gildredge pub, and then lost as the extension to the Arndale Centre. And this is the site of Santander in town. Oh, the Circus comes to town in this image, located in Terminus Road. And a couple of photos at the train station. Fire station in Grove Road. This is the station in Cavendish Place. And this is the station in Bourne Street, now gone, replaced by the one in Whitley Road. And this was the replacement fire station in Grove Road, destroyed during World War II. And this is the Alexandra Arms pub, destroyed in World War II. VE Day celebrations in the town. World War II, detonation of a 1946 World War II bomb. Hampden Park signal box, gone but not forgotten. Hampden Park train station. And Hampden Park Hotel, now lost, on the corner of Broderick Road. Stair Avenue, World War II damage. Unfortunately, these buildings were unable to be saved and pulled down. And we're over near the Destructor Works coal line, and this is crossing St Philip's Avenue. And this is the crossing at Roselands Avenue, going into the Destructor Works to deliver the coal for the furnaces. And here we have the Destructor Works taken from St Philip's Avenue. And another view of the Destructor Works. I hope you enjoyed that. I know not everyone likes the AI colorized photos, but to me they help bring the images to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye for now.